Okay, let's unpack this. You might be using artificial intelligence like every single day and maybe not even know it.
Hmm.
From your phone's voice assistant, predicting your next word to the recommendations popping up on Netflix or whatever. AI, which once felt like something from a distant sci-fi movie, it's not just here.
Yeah.
It's really deeply woven into our daily lives now.
It really is. It's quite subtle sometimes.
So our mission today on the deep dive is to kind of cut through the hype and show you, our listener, practical, accessible ways you can actually leverage AI right now.
Yeah, for immediate gains, personal, professional.
Exactly. We've pulled insights from this really helpful source, the 31 Ways You Can Use AI Today 2025 guide. It's just packed with actionable advice, specific tools, really useful stuff.
And what's truly fascinating here, I think, is the sheer velocity of the user adoption. It really signals how quickly people recognize the immediate practical value of these generative AI tools.
Generative meaning.
Yeah.
They create new things.
Right, creating brand new content, text, images, even music.
Hmm.
For their everyday tasks. I mean, think about it. ChatGPT got, what, 1 million users in its first 5 days. It's unprecedented.
Wow, 5 days.
Yeah, put that in perspective. Netflix took 3.5 years to hit that same milestone.
3.5 years.
And Instagram needed 2.5 months.
Okay.
So that speed, it just underscores how instantly useful and, frankly, intuitive these tools have turned out to be for a lot of people.
That's a phenomenal acceleration. It really shifts the perception, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's not just for, tech giants anymore.
Not at all.
It's for anyone looking to get things done more efficiently. So, to help you navigate this rapidly expanding landscape, we've structured our deep dive into 3 core categories, 3 areas of AI applications.
Okay.
First, we'll look at text and content uses. Then we'll dive into graphic design, art, and video. And finally, we'll explore audio productivity.
Sounds like a good plan. Covers a lot of ground.
Ready? Let's jump in.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're kicking things off with text and content uses for AI in business, productivity.
Yeah.
What I found particularly compelling in this guide, and something I think will really resonate with you listening, is that we're talking about real productivity gains here.
Yeah.
It's far beyond just like automating a quick note or fixing grammar. These aren't trivial suggestions. They're genuinely transformative in some cases.
Indeed. And while many popular apps you might already use, like, say, Grammarly, have had AI baked in for a while,
Right.
the current capabilities, they go way beyond simple suggestions. We're moving into genuine augmentation of, well, human ability,
Right.
processing and creating information.
Augmentation, I like that. So first up, let's talk about summarizing long-form articles. I know for me, just dealing with information overload often feels like trying to drink from a fire hose.
Oh, tell me about it.
How exactly does AI become a lifeline here? Is it more than just a quick overview?
Well, the practical upshot is immense. Beyond just saving time reading, imagine this. You can now scan, say, a dozen industry reports in an hour, spot emerging trends before your competitors maybe do, pivot your strategy with insights that, were once only available to big teams or took days of reading. That's not just efficiency, that's a potential competitive edge. It's a way to stay truly well-informed without drowning.
Okay, so which tools are good for that?
Tools like ChatGPT, Bing AI, Gemini, they can do this with pretty impressive accuracy.
That's a game changer for strategy then. Okay,
Dang.
building on that, AI can also help you understand complex topics much faster.
Right.
So instead of getting bogged down in really dense material,
Mm.
AI can break intricate information into smaller, more digestible segments, identify key concepts, themes.
Exactly. Like, the source mentions deconstructing a broad SEO strategy, search engine optimization, getting found on Google.
Right, which can feel super complicated.
Totally. AI can break that down into all its individual skills and concepts, makes it far less daunting to learn.
So it makes studying or learning more efficient, more effective. You can build understanding gradually, not feel overwhelmed.
Precisely. Think of it less like just a search engine giving you links and more like a personalized tutor. It can explain things at your pace, break down jargon.
That's helpful. Which tools for this?
Again, ChatGPT or really any of its alternatives are excellent for this kind of learning support.
Okay. And for anyone facing maybe a big career move, and another incredibly practical use, practicing for a job interview.
Oh, this is a great one.
The AI acts as a conversational tool, generates potential interview questions based on the job description, the requirements, even your own experience.
And then it helps you formulate compelling responses. Think about the confidence boost this provides.
Yeah, I can only imagine the pre-interview jitters this could calm.
Right. Walking into that interview, you haven't just rehearsed answers in your head or in the mirror. You've potentially battled an AI that can probe your weak spots, test your responses to curveball questions,
Mm-hmm.
and help you articulate your value in a way you might not have achieved alone. That's a profound shift in preparedness.
For any job level, really.
Absolutely. First roll out of college, new career entirely. It doesn't matter. ChatGPT and Gemini are fantastic for this kind of focused preparation.
And here's one that might sound a bit sci-fi still, but it's very real.
Yeah.
Creating an AI second brain.
Yeah, this is fascinating.
So you can upload documents, articles, notes, other text info into an AI system.
Mm-hmm.
And it creates a digital knowledge base that remembers everything you've put in.
Yeah.
And you can just ask it questions.
Exactly. It's like having an infinitely knowledgeable assistant for your personal archives for all the stuff you read or write. The benefits are immense.
Like what?
Enhanced organization, obviously, big productivity boosts,
Mm.
but also creativity. It can swiftly locate information you need, but it can also spark new ideas by connecting different pieces of information within your knowledge base, things you might not have linked yourself.
Any examples?
Yeah, the source gives a great example. Uploading a grammar PDF to a tool called Ask Your PDF, and then just asking it questions about grammar rules. Simple, but powerful. Other tools like anything LLM or even some advanced customer service AI chatbots can serve this purpose. It really democratizes having your own searchable knowledge base.
That's pretty cool. So beyond those more detailed examples, AI can tackle a whole host of other text-based tasks too, right?
Oh, definitely. The list is long.
Things like writing compelling sales copy for landing pages. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai.
Yep. Or streamlining professional emails.
Yeah.
Grammarly, Hoppy Copy, Constant Contact have AI features for that.
Need to whip up Excel formulas without spending hours on Google.
ChatGPT can often help with that, yeah. Or dedicated tools like CodePal.
Even polishing your resume for that next big opportunity. AI tools like Resume.io can help with layouts, phrasing, could give you an edge.
It's true. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, all these text-based AI applications are effectively like an extension of our own cognitive capabilities.
Right.
They enable us to process and create information with just unprecedented efficiency. They also assist in things like writing narrative dialogue for stories, pseudo-write, Jasper again, having back-and-forth conversations with something like Character AI, growing website traffic with SEO insights from tools like Surfer SEO, Rank Math,
That's a tool.
improving writing style, Grammarly, Writier, rephrasing work for clarity, Quillbot, Copy.ai, writing or improving code, GitHub Copilot, CodePal, creating and scheduling social posts, Okoya, Adzuma, even detecting plagiarized or AI-written text with Originality.ai.
Wow.
The breadth is incredible. It truly allows individuals to achieve more, often with less grunt work.
Okay, let's shift gears. Moving from words to visuals. AI is also completely, democratizing complex digital tasks involving images and videos.
Yeah, this area has seen explosive growth.
It feels like it's making creative endeavors accessible even if you don't have professional design or editing skills. It's leveling the playing field.
It's a huge shift. Historically, high-quality visual creation needed specialized software, significant training, often a hefty price tag. Now, many of those barriers are just dissolving.
Right, and on that note of democratization, creating custom art has truly exploded.
Fascinating.
Generating unique, beautiful art based on just natural language prompts. You describe the style, colors, subject matter. What's the steepest learning curve for someone totally new to this? How do they get started?
I'd say the biggest initial hurdle is often prompt engineering. Learning how to clearly articulate your vision to the AI. It takes a bit of practice.
Right. But the results can be amazing.
Absolutely. And the beauty is it eliminates the need for actual artistic skill in the traditional sense. You can create custom art for your home, your business website, digital projects.
Like what kind of projects?
Think striking hero images for a website header, an album cover for your band, unique featured images for blog posts. The possibilities are vast.
And the main tools here.
Midjourney and Stable Diffusion are probably the best known, leading the way, but there are many others, and tons of online communities share prompts to help you learn.
Good tip. Okay, another game changer, especially for anyone in e-commerce.
Yeah.
How AI can make product photos look professional.
Oh, this is huge for online sellers.
It automatically enhances product images, adjusts lighting, color, composition, removes backgrounds, adds effects, even shows items in different colors. That seems essential.
It truly is. This is crucial for attracting customers, directly increasing sales. In a crowded online marketplace, compelling visuals make your product stand out.
And you don't need complex photo editing experience or expensive photographers.
Exactly. Tools like Magic Studio can transform basic snapshots into professional-grade marketing assets in minutes. That translates directly to potentially higher conversion rates, especially for small businesses.
Makes sense. And for those who need to create and edit videos, AI has multiple solutions that honestly sound almost magical.
Some of them really do feel like magic.
Some tools create entire videos just from a text script, using AI avatars that speak your words.
Yep, Synthesia is a big one there.
While others let you edit actual video footage by editing a transcribed version of the audio. So you can remove filler words like or a cough just by deleting the text.
That's right. Descript is famous for that. It fundamentally changes the video production workflow.
That is truly next-level efficiency.
It makes video creation and editing significantly more efficient, more effective, regardless of your skill level or even your computer's power. What once took hours in a complex editing suite.
Like cutting out one sentence.
Exactly. Can now be done in seconds just by highlighting and deleting text. Synthesia for avatar videos, FlexClip for template-based creation, Descript for text-based editing. Powerful options.
Okay, finally in this section, imagine being able to build a website with AI.
Another big one.
For anyone who's ever dreamed of a personal blog, portfolio, online store, but felt totally intimidated by coding or design, this is a huge leap.
Absolutely.
You can generate an entire website design from just a simple text prompt. And it helps you tweak the design, layout, colors, content, add forms, social links.
It empowers you to easily jumpstart an online presence without needing any web design or coding experience. It allows for really rapid prototyping and experimentation.
So you can focus on your content or product, not the technical build.
Precisely. Tools like Wix AI, Framer AI, Hostinger AI, they're making this incredibly accessible. Go from idea to a live site in a fraction of the time it used to take.
So what does this all mean, big picture? It means the barriers to creating stunning visual content. They're practically gone.
Pretty much.
You don't need to be a professional designer or editor anymore. You can also use AI to, say, create logos and brand assets with services like Looka.
Or design custom illustrations with Illustroke.
Generate professional headshots from maybe older photos or selfies using tools like Aragon.
Yeah, those are popular.
Even editing photos like an expert is possible now with services like HitPaw or using features like Adobe Photoshop's generative fill.
Right, which is built right into Photoshop.
And enhancing upscaling images to higher resolutions without losing quality. Tools like Icon's 8 Smart Upscaler. The creative possibilities are just limitless now and open to everyone.
It's really democratizing. Okay, moving from the visual, let's turn our attention now to how AI is being applied to audio workflows and processes.
Okay, audio.
This is another exciting frontier. AI brings efficiency and new capabilities to what used to be very specialized, very time-consuming tasks in audio production.
Like what?
Well, everything from creating voices and music, which we'll touch on, to really advanced editing.
Right. I remember countless meetings just spent furiously scribbling notes, only to miss crucial details later. Now, AI can transcribe video meetings in real time.
This is a lifesaver for many.
It listens, accurately transcribes the speech, identifies different speakers. It can even auto-send meeting summaries. That would have saved me so much stress back in the day.
It transforms meeting productivity. It ensures comprehensive notes are available for the whole team, even people who missed the meeting.
Good point.
Aids record keeping. And provides accessible content for individuals who might be deaf or hard of hearing.
That's important. What's a key tool here?
Otter.ai is probably the prime example. It excels at this, turning spoken words into searchable, shareable text almost instantly.
Okay, and for those of us who love this medium, podcasting, AI is also revolutionizing how we edit and publish podcasts.
Yes, big changes here too.
I know firsthand how complex and time-consuming that process can be sometimes.
Yeah.
So AI helps cut and arrange recordings, removes unwanted background noise, enhances sound quality.
And even removes filler words automatically, like ums and ahs, or even on-mic coughing.
Yeah. It truly demystifies the technical side, which can be a huge barrier for people wanting to start.
It dramatically simplifies that complex, often tedious process, breaks down barriers, makes podcasting more accessible to the masses. What used to require potentially a sound engineer can now often be done with a few clicks, empowers creators to just focus on their content. Podcastle is a premier example of an AI service that handles editing, hosting, the works.
Podcastle. Okay.
That's-
And then there's an application that frankly blew me away when I read about it, the ability to generate original songs and music. How does that even work for someone with zero musical background?
It's truly astonishing, isn't it? You basically input your preferences, genre, mood, maybe instrumentation you like,
Okay.
and the AI creates original songs, original music. It can even generate lyrics and melodies sometimes to create a complete song basically from scratch.
Wow. So if my cat has secret aspirations of becoming a synth pop sensation.
AI might just be its agent.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
But, more practically, this is super useful for content creators who need background music without worrying about copyright strikes.
Good point.
Yeah.
Royalty free.
Exactly. Or aspiring musicians looking for a spark of inspiration. Or really, anyone who just enjoys the music creation process but maybe doesn't play an instrument.
What's a tool for that?
Moobert is a great tool for experiencing this firsthand. It's pretty amazing to play with. But, this raises an important question.
How will these advancements in audio AI reshape not just how we create, but also how we consume information and art in the future? It's a big shift.
That's a deep question.
Yeah.
And beyond generating music, you can also use AI to create audiobooks, right? Transforming text into natural-sounding speech.
Yes. Tools like Listener or Murph are designed for that, creating voiceovers, audiobooks.
And turning any web page text into listenable audio.
Yeah.
I saw Speechify mentioned. Perfect for multitasking, or if you prefer listening over reading.
Absolutely. And for more advanced music production, AI can professionally edit recorded music. It analyzes tracks, applies enhancements. Tools like Lala.ai or Lander Studio are in that space.
So it's making professional-level audio accessible to pretty much everyone, fundamentally changing who can participate in audio creation.
That's the recurring theme, isn't it? Accessibility and democratization.
Definitely. So as we've explored today, the sheer breadth of AI applications across text, visual, audio is truly remarkable.
It really is.
From summarizing complex articles to generating custom art, editing podcasts, AI is pervasive. It's transformative.
And the why. Why should you engage with AI? It really comes down to these core benefits that fundamentally change how we work and live.
Like what? Recap those for us.
Sure. It improves decision-making, analyzing vast amounts of data quickly, accurately. It automates repetitive tasks, freeing up your time, dramatically increases efficiency, can enhance customer experiences.
Okay.
AI provides insights that would be hard or impossible to uncover manually, and it learns, it adapts, creating this constantly evolving toolkit for our daily lives.
It's clear that AI is no longer some distant concept. It's a practical, accessible tool, reshaping daily tasks, enhancing productivity, opening up new possibilities for creativity, efficiency, for everyone.
Absolutely. But there's a but, isn't there? We also need to talk about the risks, the critical thinking aspect.
Right? It's not all frictionless magic. What are the downsides we need to be aware of?
Well, potential issues include things like perpetuating bias if the training data is biased, job displacement concerns, obviously, privacy violations if data isn't handled carefully, potential misuse by malicious actors, challenges with AI decisions that aren't transparent or easily explainable, and, importantly, the risk of AI-generated information being just old, wholly bogus or fake. Hallucinations, as it's sometimes called.
Hallucinations, right. So how do we mitigate these risks? How do we use these tools responsibly?
Crucially, always fact-check AI outputs, especially for important information. Don't just take its word for it. Be aware of what data is being collected and how it's used. Read those privacy policies, tedious as they are.
Good advice.
Only provide personal information to secure, trustworthy AI systems, and regularly review and update your privacy settings where possible. It's about vigilance.
This raises that important point then. While AI offers incredible utility, we have to encourage critical thinking about the ethical implications, the potential pitfalls.
Exactly. Knowledge is most valuable when it's understood and applied responsibly. And that absolutely includes vetting the information AI provides you.
Absolutely. It's about being informed and empowered, right? Making sure we're using these incredible tools wisely, effectively, not blindly.
Couldn't agree more.
So, wrapping up, AI is here, it's powerful, and it's increasingly accessible.
The potential is enormous.
So, what are you going to try first? What stands out to you from all these amazing applications we've explored today?
Yeah, pick one maybe. Just experiment.
Don't hesitate to explore, integrate these AI tools into your routine, and experience their transformative power. Imagine what you could create, or achieve, or simply understand better by bringing just one of these into your workflow. The future of productivity. It really is increasingly in your hands.